Here are the components used in the circuit: battery, reed switch, dual coil acting, double coil acting relay, latching relay, and a magnet. Now, how does it work? Here we have a reed switch on the main line, and as we go through the diamond crossing, we see that we have our two other lines here and here. And if we go around what we consider the main line here, at an exit we have the final reed switch. So what we want to do is make sure that this main line is clear when a loco passes through it. So when the loco passes over this first reed switch, it turns off power to these two lines here. When the loco passes over the other reed switch at the other side, it turns power back on. So these are electrical connections. Here is the connection to the first reed switch. Here's the connection to the second reed switch. Now this is where the action happens. This is our relay, and the first reed switch goes through the set coil, and the second reed switch goes through the reset coil. Meanwhile, here and here are the break and isolation of the other two lines. So what we have is we have one line going into the common normally closed port on this side, and the other one going into the common normally closed port on the other side. When the relay sets, the relay switches these contacts from common to normally open, so it is open and the power goes off in both lines. When the other reed switch is activated, it resets, which means these go back to normally closed, so you get power back to the two sublines, if you like. So we have a mainline loco approaching, and it engages with the reed switch. Now we have an approaching loco on the other line, and as you can see, it stops. As soon as the mainline loco clears the junction and goes over the second reed switch, we will return power to this loco here, which you now see. And we can see that working from the other side. Loco approaches the junction, mainline loco goes over the reed switch, cuts power to the line, mainline loco goes through the junction and comes round to the other reed switch, which it hits now, and power is restored. So that's how it works.